Hi everyone, all the way from Surigao City. The client land trip this brand new Suzuki Jimny 3-door for PRS upgrades. The modes we have done on this unit are, for the grill, we replace it to JDM grill and install Suzuki Cursive. And also, we upgrade the LED fog lamp to match the headlight. And for the horn of this one, we installed the Mitsuba Dulce 3. This is made in Japan. Under the hood is we installed hood insulator and we upgrade the air intake to Greedy X-Ross air intake. We start the engine so that you can hear the difference, the sound. And next, of course, if we installed cold air intake, we installed also for the exhaust, we use the Greedy X-Ross system. All the way to the back. See? Okay, we'll start also the engine. And also for the tail light, we upgrade this to Jimny style tail light and sequential signal light. Also, we installed ladder on the unit and front runner slimline rack. This is specifically made for 3-door. We also have the 5-door. And also for the suspension lift on this unit, we're using the Jaos, full Jaos. Full Jaos consists of the coil, TI coil spring, adjustable shocks, caster bushing, extended brake hose. And also panhard, front and rear panhard, adjustable panhard. Here, there's the back. The adjustable shocks and coil spring, TI coil spring, and adjustable rear panhard. For the tires and rim, we're using the Race A-Lab 07X. This is their limited color release, matte blue gunmetal wrapped in Toyo tires, open country RT. If I'm not mistaken, this is only released 50 sets worldwide. For the interior, we replaced the interior LED for better brightness. And also, we install original armrest. This is made in Sweden. This is bolted on the original driver's side chair. And also, we install top speed throttle controller. No more lag. And also, Exea product. Cell phone holder. Cell phone holder on the door side. For the water holder here on the dashboard. And rear defogger cover at the back. And also, we replaced the rear door shocks because the original is open only 60 degrees, while this one open 90 degrees for better access going inside. And also, we install Exea. This is the Exea defogger cover. Okay. If you like how our build here, simply this is the best, feel free to message me here at PRS. By the way, stock is boring and no to fake wheels. And please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!